So tell them what we did first.
First, we got to put chocolate in a bowl, and then we put it in the
microwave,
and then my mommy cut the gummy, and I cut the marshmallow, and then I pour the gummy in, and then my mommy put the gummy in, and then my mommy put some nut, and I mixed it, and then some coconut, and then some sprinkles, and then I mixed it in a bowl, and then we put it in this plate like this.
And where are we going to put it now?
We're going to put it in the fridge and let it like
cold
freeze.
Yeah.
And then we're going to eat it.
Good job. Right.
Don't be careful.
Turn it off.
Okay, me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just, show the cross section. Wow. Now pretend to eat it.